everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the LCM of the following number that is expressed as a product of its prime factors and in index notation. So for lowest common multiple, in order to ensure that this multiple has all the factors of both numbers, we have to select the highest base prime factor as we compare them. So I noticed that one of the number has all 2 power 3 while the other don't have. We have to select the 2 power 3. And when the prime factor is 3, I compare 3 and 3 power 2. 3 power 2 is that of the highest power. The next prime factor will be 5. One number has, the other don't have. We must select it to ensure that it is a multiple for both numbers. One number has 7, the other don't have, so we still have to select it. Prime factor 11 as well. And so the final answer, 2 power 3 times 3 power 2 times 5 power 2 times 7 and times 11 power 5. And this will give me a value of this pretty large number. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.